all of you, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ms. Kanit Bak, teacher of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is our digital class. This video is for class 3rd, chapter number 8, Dialogue of Early Humans. Developed by early humans, chapter number 8, we all already studied that early humans were hunter-gathered. They hunted wild animals and ate their flesh. They also collect fruit, roots and seeds for food. Later they made tools which made their life easier. Let us know about some other discoveries made by the early humans. Discovery of fire. As we all know, discovery of the fire is very important discovery for the early human. Historians are not very sure how early human learned to make fire. Perhaps they noticed a spark when two stones struck against each other. When these sparks fell on dried leaves, they caught fire. Another thing they saw was lightning. It struck tree to dry grass and soon forest on fire. Soon the early human learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together. This was a great discovery. As time passed, early human learned many uses of fire. They used fire to keep themselves, to light up dark caves, warm, to cook food and to avoid wild animals away. Beginning of farming. Second most important invention of early human. Early human moved from one place to another in search of food. They noticed plants growing in their surroundings. They observed the seed that they drop on the ground grow into new plants. Then they thought that they could sow seed in the soil. With the time, these seeds grow into plants. Thus, they come to know that it was possible to grow their own food. They had learned. After some time, they came to know that the soft soil and lots of water were needed to grow plants. So they began to settle down near rivers and other water resources. Farming. Farming changed the fire of early humans. They began to live in one place to look after their plants. They began to tame animals like goats and sheep for milk and meat. This is called domestication of animals. The dog was probably the first animal to be domesticated. Early humans also made pots out of clay. They baked pots in the fire to make them stronger. They used these pots to store grains, fruits and water. These all led to making the first village. Slowly they began to help one another and form a community. Initially, early humans did not use any tools in farming. They plucked out the crop with their hands and they made sickle a useful tool for cutting crops. Later, they made plough. They dug soil with plough. Invention of the wheel. The early humans walked on foot. It was very difficult to carry heavy loads. Every long distance, people had to carry loads by hands or on their backs. They also used animals to carry his load. The early human notices logs of wood floating in the water. They got an idea of tying logs together to make them rafts. They helped early human to move across river. This was the first boat ever made by man. It was still very difficult to go far off places on land. They used carts without wheels to carry loads. These carts could be pushed or pulled only on smooth ground. Early humans also noticed logs of wood rolling down the hills. With the passage of time, they saw that rounded logs of wood could roll on the ground easily. They began to move heavy loads on the rolling log. In due course of time, they learned to fit these logs under their carts. The cars could now move on uneven ground. They could be easily pulled by human beings or animals. Thus the wheel was invented. The life of early humans was changed with the invention of the wheel. It made land travel easier and faster. Thank you. I hope you all are very well. Stay safe, stay in your home. Bye bye, take care.